The Oxford English Dictionary concludes that the word blizzard is likely an onomatopoeia, created with the same sense that created words like blow and blast and bluster. It was used as early as the 18th century, but it was an uncommon word that did not uniquely refer to winter weather until it became popularized by the press in reference to the winter of 1880 and 81, a winter that was made famous by author Laura Ingalls Wilder's 1940 novel, The Long Winter. Variously called the Long Winter, the Hard Winter, the Snow Winter, the Black Winter, or the Starvation Winter. Journalist J. Mark Powell said of it, "If you think you've experienced severe winter weather, no matter how bad it is where you are, it can't hold a candle to this, the mother of all bad winters. It is history that deserves to be remembered."